Hello, my name is Gloria Michelle Leal, and my literature review presentation focuses on strategies educators can use to promote parental involvement. This qualitative study explores strategies that educators can implement to promote parental involvement in their classrooms. Parental involvement benefits both students and teachers by creating a positive, collaborative environment, raising grades and attendance, and improved behavior. By analyzing peer-reviewed journal articles, the researcher identified successful strategies. This study also identifies barriers to parental involvement and the roles and responsibilities educators have in facilitating parental involvement. The purpose of this study is to identify strategies educators can use to promote parental involvement, as well as initiate a discussion on barriers to parental involvement. A qualitative research approach was used in the study. In order to assess various strategies, the study used a literature review. To gather the relevant information, databases ERIC and PsycInfo were used. The inclusion criteria used for this study were peer-reviewed articles in the last 10 years that were completed in school settings, were original studies, and included kindergarten through 12th grade students. The various studies agree on strategies that have been found effective in teachers' experience, such as the following: adequate and repeated communication between parents, fostering a welcoming classroom environment, using various modes of communication, providing parents with educational documents in their native language, family nights, and volunteer opportunities. Teachers should be educated to view parental involvement as a partnership. If parents were aware and understand their role in the partnership, they are more likely to participate and be involved. Early experiences for teachers are one of the best strategies to promote parental involvement. In her study, Brandon was able to interview pre-service teachers after their first parental engagement event. Brandon's findings prove why experiences like these are of importance, since they demonstrate how unprepared teachers may feel and helps identify and address any misconceptions teachers may have about parental involvement. This feeling is also reflective in the finding of Gonzalez and Gable, who examined how the teacher expectation of parental involvement can become a barrier for parents, especially for students and parents who are culturally and linguistically diverse. Because one of the biggest barriers of parental involvement is language, Gonzalez and Gable's study helps educators understand that this may be the reason why parents are not involved. An emerging strategy to promote parental involvement is the use of technology to communicate with parents. Chang and Chen demonstrated the effectiveness of using Line, a social networking app, to communicate with parents. In her 2011 study, Christianikis identified a valuable teacher perspective. At Jefferson, parent involvement was conceptualized as helping. In doing so, they positioned themselves as supervisors and the parents as the helpers. This unevens the dynamic of being equal partners in the process. Lynn's study found that across the 3 stages, the definition of parental involvement selected by the highest percentage of rural educators was engaging parents in parent-teacher conferences, school-wide activities, volunteering at school, and discussing their personal goals and expectations for academic achievement. Berger found that when school personnel and parents convey consistent messages to children about appropriate behavior, this promotes positive behavior among children in the social context. These differing views highlight the importance of teachers being educated to view parental involvement as a partnership that works together for the success of students and the classroom. If parents are aware and understand their role in the partnership, they are more likely to participate and be involved. This study found that teacher perceptions and expectations can have an impact on parental involvement. It also shows the importance of providing training to pre-service teachers, as well as experienced teachers, to educate them about the parent-teacher partnership. These are the studies I examined for my literature review. Thank you for viewing my presentation.